The Ilinos 10-inch frying pan is a Bella addition to any kitchen, and it aims to make cooking easier. This pan features a non-stick ceramic surface. Because of this, food slides off with ease, and cleaning up messes becomes simpler. The pan comes with a lid. This helps trap heat and moisture for perfectly cooked portions. The Ilinos Ceramic Fry Pan. Oven, dishwasher safe. Wants to be your go-to for everyday meals. This frying pan is designed for different kinds of cooktops, and you can use it on gas and induction cookers. It can even go in the oven. This adds to its usefulness in your cooking life. The high heat resistance helps ensure even heat distribution. This means your food cooks uniformly, and you avoid hot spots that can damage your meals. The handle is designed to stay relatively cool while you are cooking. Plus, the Ilinos Ceramic Fry Pan. Oven, dishwasher safe. Is dishwasher safe. This makes cleaning even more convenient after you finish your culinary games. Overall, the Ilinos 10-inch frying pan tries to offer a good cooking experience without exaggeration. It's built with a non-stick surface and includes a lid. These features aim to simplify cooking and cleanup. The pan's compatibility with various heat sources, plus its oven-safe design, increases its practicality. For those seeking a straightforward and easy-to-maintain frying pan, the Ilinos Ceramic Fry Pan. Oven, dishwasher safe, could be a helpful tool in tackling daily cooking tasks and reducing kitchen messes. Pros: non-stick, ceramic pan, with lid, for gas cookers, for induction, oven safe, dishwasher safe, high heat resistance, even heat, durable. Cons: coating might degrade, not always best sear, can't use high heat, special utensils needed. Durability concerns: uneven heat possible, handle could get hot, lid might not fit well, oven limit exists, bulky to store features. 10-inch size, non-stick, ceramic coating, includes lid, gas cooker safe, induction safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, high heat safe, even heat. This Ilinos 10-inch frying pan has a non-stick ceramic coating, which means food won't easily stick to it. It comes with a lid and can be used on gas and induction stoves. You can even put it in the oven and the dishwasher to clean it. The pan is made to handle high heat and spread the heat evenly, so your food cooks well. It's a 10-inch size. The Ilinos 10-inch frying pan has a non-stick ceramic coating and comes with a lid. It can be used on gas and induction stoves, and it's also safe to put in the oven and dishwasher. The pan is designed for high heat and even cooking. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever. It might not be the best for getting a good sear on food, and you can't use very high heat. You also need to use special cooking tools, and some people have concerns about how long the pan will last. There's a chance of uneven heating. The handle could get hot. The lid might not fit perfectly. There's a limit to how hot it can go in the oven, and it might take up a bit more space to store.